I have to say, my entire experience has been absolutely wonderful. They were first class. My name is Marla Hastings. I live in Mill Valley, California, and this project was a remodeling of my guest bath. I interviewed several companies. When I met Danny, I felt like I had someone I could work with. When Danny came, what I liked about Danny was his enthusiasm, very detail-oriented, explaining what you were going to do and how it would be done. I don't remember whether Danny gave me specific ideas. I had a lot of my own. What I liked about Danny is that we could collaborate, and that was clear to me from the beginning. I've worked with a lot of different contractors and contracting companies, so I know what I'm looking for. And I guess the last thing I would say about Danny is he projects competence. I'm a good judge of character, so I used my skills in that first interview. Danny helped walk me through some of the ideas I had, one of them being the pony wall to hide the toilet, that type of thing. So I looked at our relationship more as being collaborative, and Danny never overrode me. He just worked with me on things. I have to say, my entire experience from Danny on through the crew has been absolutely wonderful. Danny and the rest of the crew, Marlon, they arrived on time, generally 15 minutes early, waited in their cars until the time to walk in. They protected the floors and everything very, very well. Very respectful. You know, Danny helped me hang my pictures on the last day because I really wanted a finished look in the bathroom. So they were first class. So having one manager dedicated to the project, I think, was crucial to its success. Danny never failed to get back to me immediately if I called him, and consistently did everything he said he would do. You know, the things that happened in my project that were unexpected were out of Danny's control. It took a while to get the permit to begin with. It took the specialty tile a while longer to arrive than we thought it would, but Danny was really good to reschedule his crew and make sure that they were available right when the tile came in. At the beginning of the project, I asked Green Bay to help me with some small items that needed to be done in the home, all of which kind of completed the project to look all the nicer because that's the entryway into the bath remodeling job. So they did not charge me for that, and it really gave me a very good feeling about the company from the get-go, and they followed through and did the work that I wanted to be done. I have been extremely happy with Green Bay Remodeling. They're a company I've already recommended to friends, and I know one person's already called me for contact information for Danny. I would recommend Green Bay, and I already have, and people are already asking.